2 weeks from today, NHL training camps are scheduled to get underway, but exactly where and how the players will return to the ice remains unclear, and time is of the essence. The league has said the playoffs will take place in hubs. Some Canadian cities were vying to host the games. Vancouver was believed to be a top pick, but as Eric Sorensen explains, it's no longer in the running.
Vancouver illustrates the dilemma in playing hockey and keeping healthy. It's a big city with COVID-19 well under control, but no longer being considered as one of the two hubs for NHL playoffs. The decision follows BC's commitment to health protocols that could have stopped play after a positive test.
Under no circumstances was I going to compromise in any way the health of people here in British Columbia, and we made that very clear.
It's a shame. Would have been good to have it.
Some fans are disappointed, but many support the decision.
And I think a lot of people would rather have a cautious approach to this rather than trying to, have an issue, flare up again.
Edmonton is one of two Canadian cities still in the running. Toronto is the other. Las Vegas is a front-runner south of the border, but COVID-19 is suddenly spiking in the United States.
The last week has been a really troubling one. So I would say right now the NHL and other professional sports league leaders are very nervous.
NHL players have been skating in small groups, but there is uncertainty before training camps begin. Montreal's star goaltender Carey Price says he still wants answers to questions. Others are optimistic a COVID-free bubble can be created.
I've been involved in a lot of the talks, and I'm pretty confident that once we get into hub cities, we'll be able to do a good job of keeping it out.
In golf, competitors can keep their distance. A single case may be isolated with less fear of spreading the virus. But team sports with a lot of physical contact is a huge challenge. The NBA has decided to restart in July at the Disney World complex in Florida, even though that state is now a COVID-19 hotspot and 16 players just tested positive. Major League Baseball plans a shortened season beginning next month. After players tested positive, the Toronto Blue Jays shut down their Florida training facility. There are skeptics.
The idea that you can assure the safety of any professional sport is beyond my comprehension.
Others say it's time to try.
There's going to be risk at this point. There's going to be positive tests. There are going to be some people who get sick. But at some point, we have to reopen society and get going.
Big league sports will start again this summer, but will they be able to finish? Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.